Hey guys, so let's just slide to Mr. Ncwane about Majola visiting Bavumile, and I've been seeing comments on social media and on my previous posts. Viewers of Inimba actually hype about this. Can't hey guys, nenzani lapho? Come on, I want to talk about that more here on this video, but first I would like to request you guys to like it, and if you ain't subscribed, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down this channel so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. I really don't know, when did we as a country start condoning lies? You guys really shocked me on this one. So viewers of Inimba are so happy about Dzoleka lying to Lazarus' father. They started when Lazarus and Dzoleka faced problems trying to cover their secret ever since baby Bavumile was born. So Mr. Ncwane has always been on their neck wanting to do some rituals for the child, and the Majola matter became the worst of them all, because you cannot lie to Majola, you cannot trick him or her to come and visit the baby. So this has been stressful for the whole country. And you know, I think I may sell out on this one because I want the secret to come out so bad. I actually hate the way Lazarus is so perfect. Now, our girlfriends will expect us to be as perfect as he is now. And we can't accept that as South African men. Now, him being nice, called Dzoleka playing him. You know, I got so bored when Dzoleka convinced him to come out and tell the truth. Imagine. It's Dzoleka who went to him, told him to lie about this whole situation. Now that the shit is hitting the fan, then she wants the guy to come clean now. Imagine now, he has to look like a fool. And I'm certain there's no father who would respect his son after lying to him about such a thing. So Dzoleka was so unfair in asking Lazarus to tell the truth. But then, at least at the end, she saved him from this embarrassment. You know, I don't know how long can Dzoleka and Lazarus keep this secret, but with the speed that this show is taking, I think that the secret will come out soon. So guys, comment there in the comment section, share your thoughts and opinions with regard to this topic, and if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, if you know, not TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end of this video, so let's engage again on the next one.